If you shoot with LUMIX cameras, you probably got this MDT file error. There's a lot of reasons why this happens. More than likely, you're not letting the camera finish writing, you're not using a good SD card or a fast enough SD card, so I'm gonna show you how to fix it. If you're on a PC, you'll be able to download the LUMIX repair tool. Just go to the LUMIX website, just Google it, you'll be able to find it. I am a pleb and I am on a Mac, so I don't have that option. The software you're gonna want to download is called Wondershare Repair It. Just Google it. MDT file right here, you see that? I can't play it, it's not usable. What do? First thing you're gonna wanna do is actually change the extension here. I was recording MOV, so I'm gonna change this one to MOV. And I'm still not able to play it, it's some sort of error. Drag and drop it into the software, and about 20 seconds later, it's there. So you're gonna have to do this step exactly like how I do it. So you're gonna go down to repair, and it's gonna fail. So you're gonna hit OK. You're gonna go to advanced repair. You're gonna add a sample video. You're gonna go, I would select the video before it or after it, and it's gonna read the metadata. Load, it's checking all of this stuff. Cool, it's repairable. Hit repair, 99.99. Oh, look, a video was repairable. Sweet. So then just look at that. It's fixed, bro.
Yeah. Go ahead, do your thing.
Save. You pick to where you want it to go. I usually just go to the desktop so I can rename it. But that's pretty much it. If you guys are shooting on LUMIX cameras, again, you just have to be smarter when you're shooting. Stop switching camera profiles is probably the biggest issue. I still happen to do it. I switch a lot between 60 frames and 24 frames. I actually shot this like 6 months. Since then, I've learned instead of doing custom camera profiles, I just use the Q menu and switch my frame rate that way instead of having to change camera profiles. It's actually faster. I thought it was faster to have a custom camera profile, go to C1 to C2, but the camera has to reset the sensor to do that, versus if you just hit the Q button and then go over to 24 or 60 or whatever you're switching to. That's the faster way. Another thing that causes MDT files is cards that are too slow or old or beaten. So get some better cards. And just like that, my file is saved. So I go over here and I can play it. Yeah. And there's no loss of quality. It's good to go. Just so yeah, little tip there for you LUMIX shooters.